Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for October and I've got Feelingic's Pick and Mix sample service. All the samples are in there. If you're new to the Pick and Mix sample service, then carry on watching. I'll just give you some information about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I chose, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Even though Feelingic ship worldwide, they only offer this sample service within the UK. You can choose 5 samples once a month for free. You just have to pay £3.95 shipping, and then you get a code then which will entitle you to receive £3.95 off any future purchases not available on any of their samples. So essentially you're getting all these samples for free. There have been some amazing samples over the last couple of years, some amazing samples, full size products, you know, which are really great. The majority of the samples though are sachets or little tiny, like little miniatures, but they are free. Some months are better than others. There's no set date that they release new freebies on their website, but it's definitely worth checking out, especially if you've got your eye on a product on the Feelingic website, but you're not sure whether you want to spend, you know, £30–40 on it, but then you find out in the Pick and Mix it's one of the freebies. So yeah, I really like that about it. So you're able to test it all out before you commit to purchasing them. It's not a subscription, you just need to create a Feelingic account, and then once a month you are able to pick your samples. If you pick on the 1st of October, you will not be able to do it until the 1st of November, and it'll stop you on the website. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, if you want to know any more, then please ask away. I'll pop a link to the Pick and Mix down in my description, as well as their other sample service, the beauty box, which is now a subscription, which costs around £13.95 a month. I'll pop that down there as well. So underneath this video, you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I chose. First up, my most disappointing find. I got a perfume sample and I'm sure that it said 2 mils, so I was expecting a spray, but no, it's a little sachet. Valentino Voce Viva, I think that's how you say it. So there's no way there's 2 mils in there. So yeah, gutted about that, but I will have to have a look on the website just in case I've made a mistake. I have got dyslexia and I do tend to make reading mistakes quite often, but yeah. Shall I have a sniff though? Might as well open it. Might as well, maybe not fully. It's getting nicer. It's not the most amazing perfume. No, but never mind. Next I went for another sachet. This is Charlotte Tilbury and this is the Magic Foundation. And flawless long-lasting coverage, 1.5 mils, and I've got it in 3.5. So I've got a few of these now, and they're just handy if I'm going away for a weekend or away on holiday or something, then yeah, it's just handy to have. Next up, I got a Bioderma. This is a BB cream with SPF 30, anti-redness skin perfecting care, sensitive skin prone to rosacea, which I am. So we've got 5 mils there. Hopefully it'll help in reducing the redness on my cheeks and across my nose. But yeah, I've tried a few products from this brand before, but I haven't tried that one. And the last 2 products are by Burt's Bees. We've got a hand salve here, and I've had this before, and this is really nice. I love the tin. So it's really cute, isn't it? So we've got 8.5 mils here. So great for rubbing into your cuticles. Yeah, I do really like that. Next, something new for me. Burt's Bees Almond and Milk Hand Cream, and got 7 grams here. So look, there's a little pot. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, look. That is really thick. And my nails are shorter now, so I can put my hands right in there. Oh, it does. It smells lovely. Oh wow! See my dry hands. I really like that. I love that. And it smells amazing. A friend of mine absolutely loves Burt's Bees, so I'm going to have to look on the Feelingic website to see how much that would be for the full size. Yeah, that is lovely. Really happy. So those are all the items that I chose, so I'll just gather them all up. So we've got a perfume sample. Gutted that it's in a one-use little card like this, but never mind. Then we've got a foundation sample. I've got the Bioderma Bb Cream tinted, great for redness on the skin. That really excites me. I've got the hand salve, which is brilliant for like your cuticles. And then I've got this gorgeous hand cream. Yeah, really happy with that considering it's free. I've already used my code to purchase some beauty products. So yeah, but as always, I'd love to know what you think. What do you think of what I've chosen? Do you regularly dip in and out? All your thoughts and opinions, I would love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.